how to apply for birth certificate online. So if you have paid for your certificate but didn't receive the form, this video is for you. Just go to Google and then search for Ghana birth certificate online application. Okay, so when it comes, come and then select the official site of the Ghana birth certificate registration, and then to bring it right here, okay, to their platform. Simply come here to the services and then come down here, okay, come down here to where we have the birth registration, and then come and then click on it. Okay, so simply scroll down and then take your time and then read every information over here. Okay, so you have to read the requirements and then the procedures as well, and then get to know everything about applying the birth certificate online. Okay, so after reading it and then getting abreast to it, simply come here to the birth registration forms. Okay, and then simply come here and then you are going to go through this process. Okay, that is the payment evidence and then the payment details, and then you come here to the particular of a child, that is your information, particular of your mother, and then that of a father, and then a summary. Okay, and then you are done. Okay, so the first one is they are going to ask you if you have paid for the service yet. So for those who have made payments, simply come and then select yes, I have made payments, and then come here to payment details and then come and click on it. Okay, so when you click on it, you are going to go to the payment details whereby you are going to prove that you have made the payments, and then over here come and then put in the receipt number. Okay, the receipt number on the payment, come and put it right here, and then come here and come and then put the number again, okay, to confirm it, and then come and then put in your name, that is, it should be the official name on the receipt, and then that of your telephone number. Okay, and then come and then put in your email address right here. After that, simply come down here to this box and then come and put in the email address again inside this box. Okay, so after that, what you have to do is simply come and then upload a copy of the receipt. Okay, that is a copy of the receipt that you have made online, and then over here, if you made the payments for yourself or for someone, simply come and then check yes or no. Okay, and then after uploading a copy of the receipt, all that you have to do is simply come in and click on the next. So for the receipt, you can take a screenshot. It's then going to bring you here to the particular of a child, that is the person who is applying for the birth certificate. The name, okay, that is, it should be the official name. Okay, that's going to appear on the birth set, and then the middle name as well. And then after that, simply come in and put in that of the last name. Okay, it has to be the official ones that are going to appear on the birth certificate. Then I simply come here to the date of birth and then come and then put in the original date of birth there, and then come and then select the sex, either male or female, and then simply come here and then come and then put in your Ghana card number here. Okay, that is for those who are about 15 years and then they are applying for the certificate. Okay, then after that, simply come here to the type of bed. If it is a single bed or whatever, simply come and then select it and then put it there. Okay, so after that, what you have to do is simply come and then answer. That is the place of delivery, either a hospital, a clinic, house, or any other. Okay, and then after that, simply come here to the attendance of the bed, whether it was a registered midwife or any of them, you select it, and then you come here to the name of the hospital. Okay, come and then put it right there, and then you come here and then that is the house number. You come and put in your house number there. After putting the house number, the next thing I have to do is simply come and then put in your street name here, and then you come and then select the region. Okay, so any of the region, you click on the down arrow and then you can select any. After that, simply come here to the district and then come and select your district, and then you come here to the hometown and then come and put it right here. Okay, and then all that you have to do is simply come and then click on the next. It is then going to take you to the particular of a mother, that is your biological mother, the one who gave birth to you. The first name, after that, simply come here and then come and put in the middle name right here, and then come and then put in the last name of the mother. Okay, and then all that you have to do is simply come and then put in the age, the actual age. Okay, and then come and then put in the Ghana card, okay, number of your mother right here, and then simply come in and come and select the nationality, that is a Ghanaian. Your mother should be a Ghanaian, and then come and then put in the house number of that of your mother, and then you come here to where we have the street name and then come and then put it right here as well. Then you come and then select the region, that is where your mother is from, And then after that, simply come here to where we have the district, okay, and then come ahead and put in the district as well, and then the hometown as well here. Okay, after that, what you have to do is simply come and then answer the number of children born alive, that is, they are alive, and then that of your mother. Okay, come and put it right here. After that, simply come and then answer, that is the number of children as well, and then that of live births, or that too, you can come and then put in here. And then after that, that is born alive, and now then you can also put it there if there is any. And then you come and then select your mother's educational level, either primary or any other, and then the work that your mother is doing currently. Okay, you can scroll through and then select the one, and then simply come here to the next, and then come and then click on the next. It will then take you to that of your father, your information. Okay, the information of your father, the first name, you come and then put it right here. Then I simply come here to where we have the father's middle name, come and then put it right there. And then that's of a father's last name, you come and put it right here as well. So you come here and then you put in the age of your father right here. After that, the next thing I have to do is simply come and then put in the Ghana card number, okay. Father's nationality identification number, put it right there. And then you come and then put in your father's nationality, that is Ghanaian. He has to be a Ghanaian. And then you come and then select your father's educational level, either primary or whatever. And then you come and then put in your father's work here as well. Okay. After that, simply come here to where we have the region and then come and select it. And then after that, you come in and answer in gainful employment, yes or no. And when you are done, simply come here to where we have the next, and then come and click on the next. Okay. You are then going to fill the information of your informant. Okay. Any person that can stand as a guarantor. Okay. You put in the person's first name. They are simply going to stand as a guarantor in case of anything. And then if they have a middle name, after that, you come and then answer if they have a last name as well. And then over here, all that you have to do is simply come and then select the region. Okay, you come and then select it. After that, simply come here to where we have the residential address. Come and then put it right there. And then come and then put in their telephone number. Okay, in case of anything. And then over here, all that you have to do is simply come here and then come and then put in their Ghana card number as well. And then over here, simply come and then state the relationship that you have with them, and then come and click on the next. Okay, so to take you to the summary, that is where you are going to take your time and then so you go through. If you have made any mistake, then you correct it. And then after going through the summary, all that you have to do is simply come here to where we have the submit, then come and click on the submit. Okay, so in case you face any challenges, simply come here to where you have file a complaint, and then come and click on it. Okay, to bring you right here to where we have file a complaint, and then come and then click on it if you have any challenges during it. And then you come and then complete the complaint form. Okay, so with the complaint form, all that you have to do is just put in your first name, and then you come here to where we have the middle name. You come here and then put in your middle name. You come and then put in your last name here as well. After that, all that you have to do is just come and then put in your email address, your active email address, and then come and then put in your telephone number right here. Okay, and then simply come here to where we have reason for complaint, and then come and then select the reason why you are sending them the complaint. Okay, you are sending them a complaint, and then come and then describe something about the complaint. Okay, and over here, simply come down here to where we have this information. If you have received help from any clients, you select yes or no. And if you have received any help from client service too, you select yes or no. And then over here, all that you have to do is if you have any attached supporting document, you can simply come here and then come and then upload it right here by clicking on it. But you have to make sure that it is within 1 MB, okay? And then simply come down here to where we have the next, and then come and click on the next, and then submit it. Beside that one, you can also contact them through their official line, and then you always have your right to contact or report any issue when it comes to your birth cert registration. Like the video. If you have any questions, leave in the comment down below, and then see you in my next video.